Hello, so I'm finally back from Wisconsin. I'd gone out to Madison, Wisconsin to Canoecopia, which is the largest paddle sports show in the country. I was out there supporting Chesapeake Lightcraft. Chesapeake Lightcraft makes kits for all my designs. So I went out to help with the booth and do a little kayak building demo. I worked on a skin-on-frame, the second prototype of the skin-on-frame microBootlegger Sport. It was a lot of fun. A lot of people came by. It was good to meet a lot of the people that watch these videos and just talk to people about kayak building. It was really pretty cool. So a snowstorm came into New England after the show was over, and that interrupted my flight, so my flight was canceled. So Darren Bush, who owns Rutabaga Paddle Sports, which puts on Canoecopia, helped put me up for a night or two out there while I was stranded, and I got back last night, and I'm just starting to get back in the swing of things here. So today I'm going to trim out the feature line between the side of the back deck and the body of the back deck. So it's the same process that you've seen me do before at the water line, at the chine, at the center line, and the keel line. So I won't spend a lot of time talking about it. I'll just point the camera at what I'm doing and let you watch. Somehow I went most of the day with my microphone turned off, so my discussion here about selecting the wood for the back deck is useless. I'll redo it tomorrow when I do the final stripping. Until then, you know the drill. Hit like, subscribe, buy a t-shirt or plans, whatever. Thanks for watching and happy paddling.